Trichomoniasis is caused by a single-cell parasite called a trichomonad. The parasite is spread through sexual intercourse, so it's an STI. Who is a risk for trichomoniasis? Approximately 3.7 million people in the United States are infected with trichomoniasis. During sex, the parasite is transferred from one person to another. Trichomoniasis lives and multiplies in men, but hardly ever causes symptoms in men. Thus, a woman is often reinfected by her male partner who isn't aware of any symptoms. Women also may not know they have trichomoniasis for days or months and can spread the STI to their partner. About 30% of women have symptoms of discharge or burning with urination. The parasite affects the vagina, urethra, the canal that carries urine from the bladder to outside the body, and bladder of women and the penis of men. Since the parasite lives in both males and females, both sexual partners need treatment. If a woman has more than one sexual partner, her chance of getting trichomoniasis is much higher. It's not spread by toilet seats. What are some signs or symptoms of trichomoniasis? Some symptoms in guys include burning after urination, burning after ejaculation, itching, irritation inside the penis, urethra. Because guys don't usually show signs of trichomoniasis, it's important for your partner to let you know if she is experiencing symptoms such as abnormal vaginal discharge with odor, itching and burning, painful urination or intercourse, or has just been diagnosed with a trichomonas infection. How is trichomoniasis treated? If you're diagnosed with trichomoniasis, your healthcare provider will give you a prescription for a specific antibiotic, most commonly metronidazole or tinidazole, for both you and your partner. You and your partner should let your healthcare provider know about any other medications that you're taking. Both of you need to be treated since trichomoniasis is a sexually transmitted infection. Medication for trichomoniasis is only available by prescription. You and your partner need to take the whole dose of the medication for it to be the most effective. It's common to give the prescription in a single dose. Don't drink alcohol while you are taking the medication, or you'll vomit. If you take all of the antibiotic dose, trichomoniasis is usually cured. You and your partner should avoid sexual intercourse until both of you are completely cured. You can always be infected again if you don't take the proper precautions to prevent an STI. How can trichomoniasis be prevented? The only way to prevent trichomoniasis completely is to not have sex. If you're going to have sex, a latex condom is the most effective way to lower your risk of getting trichomoniasis and other sexually transmitted infections. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.